Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Welcome back to the channel, and in this video we are going to be taking an objective look at the Lorentzian Classification EA developed by Michael Prescott Burney right off the bat to clear up any compatibility questions based directly on the official product listing. This expert advisor is designed strictly and exclusively for MetaTrader 5. It is priced at $480 and currently sitting at version 1.0 with 5 activations included. The core idea behind this robot is to replace traditional rigid indicator rules with a machine learning inspired approach. Now, rather than acting on a simple moving average cross or RSI overbought reading, it evaluates market conditions as a multi-feature pattern, compares that state to historical data, and predicts directional probability using k-nearest neighbors classification powered by Lorentzian Distance. Now let us step through the MQL5 Marketplace page to break down how this works under the hood. As we scroll down the description, the developer lays out the primary architecture. At the core is the Lorentzian Distance classifier. Okay. On every closed bar, the EA builds a feature vector using up to 5 technical indicators. All right, by default it looks at RSI, wave trend, CCI, ADX, and a second RSI, with different settings. The reason the developer chose Lorentzian distance over standard Euclidean distance comes down to volatility handling. In financial markets, extreme price spikes often skew traditional statistic models. Lorentzian distance compresses large outlier differences, allowing the KNN engine, which can scan up to 2000 historical bars, to find structural similarities without getting distorted by sudden market noise. Now, directly beneath the KNN classifier, there is a kernel regression confirmation layer. This acts as a confluence filter using rational, quadratic, and Gaussian estimators. In practice, if the KNN model finds a bullish pattern, the kernel filter requires bullish market structure before allowing an execution. The same kernel logic can also be toggled to handle dynamic trade exits rather than relying solely on fixed targets. Okay, so now moving down to the inputs and trade controls. The EA offers a layered filter stack to manage trade quality. It includes a volatility filter to pause trading during abnormal spikes, a regime filter to distinguish ranging from trending conditions, along with EMA, SMA, ADX session, and spread filters. All right, now from a risk perspective, this multi-filter setup is designed to prevent the machine learning model from taking signals during choppy or unfavorable market conditions. For position management, the EA supports both fixed lot sizing and percentage-based risk, alongside ATR-based or fixed PIP stop losses and take profits. Advanced settings also allow trailing stops, break-even locks, partial closes, and maximum position caps. Okay, looking at the developer's notes, the EA ships with 7 pre-configured set files, set file profiles, including M15 scalping, all right, M15 scalping, M30 intraday, H1 swing, H4 position, D1 long term, H1 XAUUSD gold specialist profile, and an H4 conservative prop account setup. The developer explicitly notes that the H4 position profile is the primary recommended starting point, as the underlying Lorentzian framework was originally designed around higher intraday and swing time frames. Now let us transition over to our strategy tester report to analyze how these rules translated into historical behavior. This specific historical test was conducted on XAUUSD on the 1 hour time frame, covering the period from January 1st, 2026 to July 22nd, 2026. It was run on a $10,000 initial deposit with 1 to 1,000 leverage. Okay, executing 0.01 fixed lot sizes. Now, looking at the chart history and order log during the test, we observe, or we can be able to observe, the entry and exit behavior. For instance, looking at the trade list comments, every entry logs the prediction score and feature values at the exact moment of execution, and the system opened positions with ATR based boundaries. In this case, fixed stop losses around 50 pips and take profits around 100 pips, or dynamic ATR equivalents. Now, looking at the holding time statistics, positions were closed very quickly. Right, positions were closed very quickly with an average holding time of just 19 seconds. This rapid duration suggests that under these specific settings on gold, trades were frequently hit by tight price action near execution or closed out rapidly by dynamic exit logic. Now, looking at the trend alignment during the test, the EA took 85 long positions with a 40% win rate and 76 short positions with a 26.3% win rate. While the multi-feature model generated consistent trade opportunities across changing market states, the historical chart shows that tight stop placement during high volatility gold movements led to multiple consecutive losses during choppy periods. Okay, so evaluating the final performance metrics, the test closed with 161 total trades. Net profit resulted in negative $60.51, representing a profit factor of 0.34 and a Sharpe ratio of minus 5.00. The gross profit reached $31.1 against $91.61 in gross losses. Now, on the risk side, drawdown remained remarkably low and controlled, with maximum equity drawdown peaking at just 0.63% or $62.53. Now, what do these historical backtest results tell us as traders? First, they highlight that while the EA's internal risk management successfully protected capital and kept drawdown under 1%, the default or tested parameters on XAUUSD H1 struggled to achieve profitability over this 7-month sample. It is important to remember that historical backtesting is only an analytical tool and is not a guarantee of future performance. Okay, performance can vary significantly depending on lot size, risk settings, broker execution, spread, slippage, and time frames. In conclusion, the Lorentzian Classification EA offers a sophisticated framework for traders interested in machine learning, KNN, pattern recognition, and kernel regression filtering within MT5. However, based on the available data, it is not a plug-and-play system that yields effortless results out of the box. Okay, it appears best suited for advanced traders who are comfortable conducting systematic parameter optimization, feature tuning, and walk-forward validation across different currency pairs. As always, I strongly encourage running long-term historical tests and forward testing on a demo account before considering any live deployment. Thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.